will decide the economic environmental factor. So what is the growth in GDP? The balance of payment comfortability, the exchange rate comfortability, the inflation rate comfortability, the interest rate comfortability. The interest rate more or less normal. If there is no ups and down in the deposit rate, there is no ups and down in the lending rate. The lending rate and deposit rates more or less similar. Not similar, the normality is maintained. Volatility is not there. The volatility in exchange rate, volatility in interest rate, volatility in inflation rate, these things are not there. So they will decide the comfortable environmental factors, specifically the economic environmental factors. Then, a strong banking system. The strong banking system will contribute to economic environment of a country. The strong banking system will contribute to growth of business of a country. The Reserve Bank of India plays a vital role in ensuring the financial discipline and the Indian money market and the Indian financial market and Indian investment market. The control mechanism is there. The stock market control mechanism is there. The investment market, the managerial aspects are there. And the money market, the managerial aspects are there. These factors, the control mechanism, the management aspects of this market, they create a so conducive economic environmental factor. The foreign enterprises, they want to do business. A big market is there. A big consumer market is there. What is the Unilever is doing very good business, a big consumer market is there. 130 crore is there, a big consumer market is there. The wide variety of markets are available. The changes of culture, they create expanded market in India. So they see a good market here, they create a market economy. So market economy, they create a conducive economic environment of a business. So economy of a country in total, you go to bank, they are ready to give money to you. You go to bank, they are ready to get your deposit. And you have a faith on the banking system that my money is safe. Once my money is safe, my business is safe. Whatever I invest, whatever I earn, my earning I deposit there, the deposit is safe, I have the faith there, and the financial system is so conducive that our banks are ready to lend to me if my project, the entrepreneurial project or a project report is productive and based on the revenue earning capacity. My project is having substantial revenue earning capacity, okay? They will provide money. So I have such a type of fight that will design the environment. Then another important factor is there, the fiscal deficit of a country. The fiscal deficit of a country. What is there? Always we witness the budgetary deficit. We witness the budgetary deficit. So how do we bridge the gap between the revenue and expenditure? But similarly, the fiscal deficit is there. Then what is our total import? What is our total export? What is our total foreign remittances? What is the net deficit? What is the fiscal deficit there? Borrowings plus budgetary deficit, they will decide your fiscal deficit. So what is the fiscal deficit? Year by year you should get on. Similarly, in balance of payment, we speak about the current account deficit. We have two accounts in balance of payment. One is capital account, one is revenue, current account. So what is the current account? Current account surplus is not there. Current account we have a deficit. As long as our import is more than the export, at the highest level, there is the possibility of deficit in current account. But the deficit in current account is not alarming, is not at a danger level, because private remittances, our people are working in foreign countries, they send money to India, that is adjusted so that current account deficit is so minimum. So these are all the factor. Other important factor, what are the risk element? What are the risk elements are there? There, education, another most important thing. The largest percentage of English speaking people worldwide, the only country in India. Largest percentage of English speaking population. 130 crore population is there. The largest percentage speak well about English. So this is a very nice environment that will contribute not only to economy but also to technology. So all the schools, the primary school and pre-primary schools that teach English, largest percentage, big percentage of people speaking in English worldwide, only in India. So that adds the economy. What is the largest English speaking population? They are ready to contribute to economic development, they are ready to contribute to technology. So that decides enormous success, that paves a long way for the economic development. And another certain specific policies are there. The export-import policy will design the economic environment. What are the policies are there? Export promotion measures are there. So you produce a specific product, we give some concession to you, you can increase the export. The export-import policy is announced by the Commerce Ministry of Government of India. They want to promote the export, they give some measures. They give some concession. They give some development-oriented encouragement. They will decide the environmental factor to do business in India. Related to economy, that is the important economic development. The economic development of a country. Then collaborations with the foreign nations. Collaboration. What are the collaboration? Technical collaboration. What are the collaboration? Financial collaboration. What are the collaboration? That is in terms of development oriented. In terms of joint venture, they will do some collaboration. The Maruti Suzuki is there. Joint venture. That is a collaboration. That collaboration will help you in terms of technology. Then all the insurance companies are there in India. They are under joint venture. There, State Bank of India entered into joint venture. Then similarly Bajaj entered into joint venture. ICICI entered into joint venture. ICICI Prudential, ICICI Lombard, Bajaj Alliance, they entered into joint venture to do business in insurance sector. So these are all the collaboration. Suppose the economy is so well, so conducive, large number of collaborations will come. If the economic environment is not comfortable, collaborations will not be there. Collaborations will not be there. What is there? You know well, the recent development. There, we launched our satellites and the Chandrayaan entering it, the Chandrayaan, America, Russia, China and India. But now China wants to enter into technology collaboration with India in terms of satellite launching. So what is this? This shows the development. This shows the technology development associated with the economic development. The China is ready. China wants to collaborate. You might have read, you might have studied in newspaper, China after launching our satellite, after so successful in launching Chandrayaan, that China is ready to collaborate with the government of India in space research. So this collaboration adds value. This collaboration adds value to economic development of India and it acts as an important factor determining economy of a country. So the entire paragraph speaks like that. What are the business opportunities in India? Economic environment. So a foreign country wants to enter into different countries. What are the opportunities in India? The opportunities in India, the resources, labor resources available in India, land resources available in India, natural resources available in India, then business infrastructure available in India, they will decide the economic developmental factor. These factors combined together called economic environment. The opportunities are there. Even insurance sector opportunities are there. How many of you have insured? How many of you have insured your life? How many of you have insured all your properties? Still there is a gap. A big market is there. A very big market is there in insurance sector. So there the business opportunities are there. The technology-wise business opportunities are there. The technology associated with economic development, they give a large business opportunities too. Even in education, large business opportunities are there. Education, we go to foreign countries for higher education. But in World Trade Organization, WTO, General Agreement on Trade in Services is there. The total services sector in the world is liberalized. The trade-related investment measures are there. Under the trade-related investment measures, foreign countries are permitted to invest in India. That is the foreign direct investment. Because foreign direct investment we invite, because we have signed the agreement. WTO, World Trade Organization, we have signed the agreement and we permit the foreign investment, trade-related investment measure, TRIMS we call it. So through these facilities, having signed in the World Trade Organization, what is the General Agreement on Tariff and Trade, we have signed. So after signing this type of agreement, and we are permitting the foreign enterprises to invest in India. The very big lesson is there. And our neighboring department, the International Business Department is conducting an international conference on foreign direct investment next month. So there it gives a good opportunity. The economic environmental factor, the capital, availability of capital here, availability of land here, availability of labor here, the availability of managerial talents here, they will decide the business. The four factors of production, all the four factors of production made available here, and they are closely associated with the economic development. What is the per capita income? Is it moving up? Yes. This is moving up. So similarly, we do research in the banking. What is per capita business? Yes, it is moving up. It shows a positive sign. So these factors, what is the standard of living of the people? The social environment. The standard of living of the people depends on your economy. If the economy is moving up, automatically your standard of living will come up. So they will decide the business. The economy is there, standard of living is improving, per capita income is improving, automatically there is a market. So what is the disposable income available with you? You earn some money. What is the savings available with you? You earn some money. What is the disposable income available with you?